Alright, man, so this is the unboxing of the alright, man, this is the unboxing of the exhaust that we ordered. Just going into the GSR turbo build. There you go, man. It's that nice eBay special. Something easy and fast that we can just slap on. When I take it to the track, it's probably gonna come off anyway, so it doesn't even matter. This is the first part of the piping right here. Get out the way, yo.
I'm gonna place it somewhere, bro.
Alright, man, just place it. Just put it on the ground for now, and then get the other piping so we can see how it goes. Like I said, man, it's gonna go into the Turbo GSR build. Hopefully it doesn't sound like ass. It is an eBay special, so I mean, we don't know yet. We're just gonna have to see. Still gotta do a bunch of welding and stuff to get it to fit properly.
Oh, wow.
Here it is.
Wow, wow.
This is a silencer right here.
I'll do the sound
There
test.
it is.
I'll do the sound test.
As you can see, there's no exhaust on it right now. We're gonna have to mock up a measurements for the eBay exhaust. What are you doing, dude? Ass right now. Jack up my car, man.
You're nasty, homie. You're nasty.
The creeper, I'm gonna go in the middle.